Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and welcome to our channel. And if you've seen our videos before, welcome back. Our channel is filled with candy making, cake, cupcake, and cookie decorating videos. We are a baking, decorating, and candy making supply store, so we will also post videos when we get new products in store. If you want to see all the products that we offer, click the link in the description. Today we will be making rainbow meringue cookies. Let's get into the video.
Start by making your meringue cookie batter. We used Cellabake's meringue powder and followed the directions for meringue cookies on the back. Our next step is to stripe the pastry bag. Fit the bag with a star tip number 21, then fold down the top of the bag to form a cuff. Using a small paintbrush and gel food color, paint a stripe of each color on the inside of the bag. Be sure to paint the color close to the tip. Doing this requires less test piping to make sure all of the colors come through. Once all of the colors have been painted, place the piping bag in a cup to help fill. Fill the bag with the meringue cookie batter, then set to the side and fill a piping bag fit with round tip number 10 with white meringue batter. Line a baking sheet with parchment and have sucker sticks ready to go. Pipe a small amount of the meringue batter on the parchment, then lay the stick down so the top is in the meringue batter. Pipe one shell at the top of the stick, then pipe angled shells, alternating sides, covering about half of the stick. Go back and add a few dollops of white at the end of the shells. Repeat this process until you have reached your desired amount of meringues. You can also pipe small dollops of batter for bite-sized pieces. Bake your meringues at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to an hour, then turn the oven off and leave the meringues in the oven for 1 hour. Be sure to leave the oven door closed during the entire baking and cooling time for best results. Remove the meringues from the oven and allow to cool at room temperature on the tray or a cooling rack. If the meringues have baked and dried all the way through, they should easily pop off the parchment. These fun and colorful meringues are now finished.
Thank you for watching our video, and if you want to make these rainbow meringues yourself, click the link in the description. That will take you to our website, and link below that photo are all the products that we offer in that video. Be sure to comment and let us know your thoughts on this video, as well as anything else you would like us to create. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Country Kitchen Sweetheart to stay updated on our new sales, products, and holiday items. See you next time.